What's up, YouTube? I know what you're thinking. You're like, Francesco, you're not at your own garage, you're not at anyone else's garage, you're in the middle of a parking garage. And that's because we're doing a random vlog today. We got Justin behind the camera. We got my boy Brandon here. We're on his Earth Below photo shoot. I'm a part-time model as well. So all their stuff is going to be down below. By the time this drops, the drop will have happened. The launch is tomorrow, August 10th. This drop will be out. There's a lot of merch, and you better watch for it. Follow all the social medias down below. Go buy something. I bought one of everything. It's that good quality.
I want that type of commitment. That's what I want to see. Everything.
Sold out within minutes. We got the crew over there. We got Miranda, say what up to YouTube. We got Justin on videography over there. Anna capturing all the awesome shots. Bree, co-founder of Earth Below. Say what up, say what up. Shout out to this homie getting his senior pictures done, looking good. It is so hot out.
Are you shooting in 4K?
Yeah, at least that's what it says.
Yeah, that's nice.
So many clickbaits. I know that would be like my videographers got kicked out of Detroit. They're like, no, they were fine with it. I just had to be sneaky about stuff.
Bro. How do you feel, Chico?
I feel good. I don't want to brag to you guys. Like, I have been signed to 2 modeling agencies already, but we try to stay humble out here.
Of course, of course.
Mainly because like I haven't really like professionally modeled, so I don't talk about it.
Yeah, no, like I'm sorry, like I'm sure he wasn't sketchy, but at the same time, like don't just like walk off. Like,
Yeah, you guys can do it. We clearly have different visions.
so you might have to send me some of that footage.
Okay.
You want to eat first and then
Yeah,
get
dude.
more shots later?
We could, would that like...
Like, oh, here's
Now look at the camera.
Look how good was Detroit Burger or Basement Burger Bar?
It was good. It was very good.
Mer, how'd you like Basement Burger Bar?
It was good. I left my water bottle in there.
Yeah, she was being rude with the coronavirus. We are in Campus Martius, a very popular area of Detroit. It is obviously not as crowded as it normally is because of COVID, but we're out here still living, wrapping up the shoot with Burger Basement Bar.
It was actually so delicious.
I was-
Even though we're bad people and
I didn't vlog any of the food.
made a noob mistake of not seeing when they closed.
Oh yeah.
Went in there and we ordered. They were sitting in there and we realized that nobody else was sitting in there. We're like, when did y'all close? They're like 7:30. 7:50. So we all were like saying sorry for 20 minutes. And we also smashed 3 fries. So it was sweet.
I should